welcome back to Aradhya and Advik's Adventurous World. So today we are going to learn how to use the sewing machine jc14. So let's see. First we unpack the box and we get all these things.
Let's start the installation. So here we can get the bobbin. Just we have to remove the cover, take out the bobbin. So this is the bobbin. Now we have to pull this one up and then put the thread here. Put it here, then stretch it, then just rotate it, twist it. See, it is shown in this picture. Do like this only, then bring it here. Now you have to fill the bobbin. Put it inside this one. Now push it here. Now with one hand hold the thread and with the foot give the pedal. Now put the bobbin from where we have removed. Then there is one steel like thing. We have to put the thread inside that and then we have to pull it. It is shown in the picture. They have given how to thread that one. Then put the cover and close it. Now here also they have given the directions, 1, 2, 3 numbers they have given. So you have to put the thread like that. See how they are showing. Like that you have to put the thread. Okay. Now put inside this one. Now put inside this needle. Okay, this way. Okay. So there is one button behind. With the help of that we have to put this down. Okay. So now give the pedal to remove the bobbin thread out from here.